Are you looking for the best Keychron keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the best Keychron keyboards. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Keychron Q5 Max, Q1 Max, Q2 Max, etc. We recommend the Keychron Q5 Max as the best Keychron keyboard. This is the 96% model in Keychron's Q Max series, a range of premium wireless models with aluminum cases, durable PBT keycaps, and a double gasket-mounted design that lends a softer, almost springy typing experience. We've singled out the Q5 as it has a slightly more compact form factor but has nearly all the same keys as a full-size model, including dedicated arrow keys and an numpad. That said, there are plenty of other sizes in the Q Max series, including the more conventional full-size Q6 Max and compact models like the Q1 Max, 75%, or the TKL Q3 Max. In short, we recommend any of these size variants as they share the same excellent build quality and feature set. While the typing quality is excellent right out of the box, one of the other standout features of the Keychron Q Max series keyboards is their range of customization. You can alter or replace any component of this board, including the top plate, the switches, the keycaps, and even the case foam within the board. It's a great starting point for people looking to get into the keyboard modification hobby or just if you want something to tinker with on your desk. Each keyboard also comes with an included toolkit to make alterations easier. If wireless connectivity isn't your priority, we recommend checking out the Keychron Q5 or any other size model in Keychron's original Q series. The Q2 Max is a full metal QMK/V wireless customized mechanical keyboard. Combines advanced 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and Type-C wired connectivity, and enhances workspace efficiency with a 65% layout. Features QMK/V key remapping, a 1000 Hz polling rate, on 2.4 in wired modes, PBT keycaps, and more for that premium FOC feel. Number 2. Keychron V5 Max, V1 Max, V2 Max, etc. At a budget price point, there's no better option than the Keychron V5 Max. The V5 Max belongs to Keychron's wider V Max series, which are essentially budget versions of the more premium Q Max series boards. The major difference between these lineups is that the V Max keyboards have all plastic cases rather than solid aluminum cases. They also have somewhat less acoustic material inside and only a single gasket mount design, so they offer a marginally stiffer typing experience than the Q Max boards. That said, they still have a significantly more cushioned feeling than a conventional tray mount design used by most other keyboards on the market. Once again, we're shining the spotlight on the 96% V5 Max specifically, but we recommend any of the size variants in the wider V Max lineup as they each offer the same excellent performance, wireless versatility, and impressive overall build quality. They also boast impressive hardware customizability, each including a toolkit that can help you add or replace components or even fully disassemble your keyboard. Finally, if wireless connectivity isn't necessary, check out Keychron's original Keychron V series keyboards, which are wired only and typically a bit cheaper. Keychron V1 Max is a fully customizable mechanical keyboard, offering both 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity. Its compact 75% layout, gasket mount, sound-absorbing foam, hot swappable feature, and more are delivering heightened levels of typing comfort and productivity. Program any key with QMK/V. QMK/V is open-source software for keyboards that allows. Number 3. Keychron C1 Pro/C2 Pro. While the Keychron V5 Max and the Keychron Q5 Max above are wireless keyboards, the Keychron C1 Pro and C2 Pro are wired-only keyboards in our recommendation for the best cheap options in Keychron's collection. The C1 Pro has a TKL, 80%, form factor, while the C2 Pro has a standard, full-size layout. These keyboards are more basic in their construction, but they do have some surprising features typically found on higher-priced custom keyboards, including PBT keycaps and full per-key backlighting. You can also choose between a cheaper configuration with white-only backlighting or a more expensive configuration with full RGB backlighting and a hot-swappable PCB, which lets you easily change or replace switches without soldering. Like more expensive Keychron models, these keyboards are also compatible with VIA software that allows you to set customized key assignments and profile layers, adjust lighting, and record complex macros, among other options. Altogether, these keyboards don't have the same cushioned, premium feeling typing experience as our other recommendations on this list. However, they're solid, straightforward picks that provide excellent value if you want a wired-only, entry-level mechanical keyboard. TKL, 80%. Layout wired mechanical keyboard. The C1 Pro is a wired mechanical keyboard with a classic TKL, 80%, layout and many premium features like QMK/VIA support, PBT keycaps, a 1000 Hz polling rate, included keycaps for both Windows and macOS, etc., which provides endless possibilities and a comfortable typing experience.